This video we will be showing you how to make or create a basic call queue. So what a call queue means is when they come into the call queue, they then get put on hold, and then the calls are taken as they come in. So they just simply line up. To find the call queue section on the left, again, hosted PBX queues, go add call queue. Again, we're going to give the call queue a name. I've already got a test, so I'm going to call this test number 2. If you need a caller ID prefix, feel free to put this in. It's up to you. Join announcement. Similar to just the sound, you can pop in welcome to business name if wanted to here, and then they get put on hold after that. If you want some hold music, IVR frequencies and so forth is just your basic IVRs if you have one set up, and the breakdown here. Queue time, so means how long they will be waiting in the queue. You can have it for a minute, 2 minutes, even further 5 minutes, and then you can have them go to a destination wherever it will be. So for this one, we're just going to put it to a busy voicemail. There are advanced options if need be. So pretty much if agents are unreachable, where would you like them to go? Meaning that everyone is on the phone or their phone is set to busy. We will just set this one straight up to put them to a busy voicemail. Give them the option to save them waiting. Ring strategy, we're going to ring all. Round robin means it just takes in turns on who it rings. You can have it ring the least recent and person who has taken the fewest calls. Ring busy agents, always best to have it off, meaning you're not disrupting your extensions that are currently on the phone. Agent ring time, again, you need a desirable number for a time frame for it to ring. 25 to 30 seconds, another really good. And then moving back further down, another one that you would like to pop in, agent wrap up time means once they finish a call, if there are people in the queue, it's going to wait 5 seconds before they call again. So if you get a high volume of calls, you probably want to give your agents a little bit of time in case they need to do any notes or anything before they take another call. But 5 seconds is more than reasonable, generally for most small businesses. As we keep working our way down, agent announcement. When agent announcement is switched on, this simply will play a sound to the agent when they're answering the call. Caller ID for external agents means it will just pass through the caller ID of the people calling in. Queue wait, so meaning if there are external a number of queues and different extensions are in a number of queues, the queue wait, if it's number 1, means this queue will get priority over other queues for that extension. And then some advanced features down the bottom. If you want information on those, get in touch with us. Now, once all that's set, you want to add in your agents. So I've made a few that I'm going to add in. So pretty much what I've set up here is 3 extensions, 1, 2, and 3. And I'm also going to add in an external number that I have made. So simply we have here 1 extension, 2 extensions, 3 extensions, plus an outer a mobile number that will call when you come into this test queue. Now that's simply how you make your queue. You hit the save, and then I have now got 2 queues in here. To edit them, you hit the edit button and it brings up the list you have there, and to remove them, you press remove. So simply that's how you do make a call queue, the basics of it. You can go a bit more advanced if you do need assistance. Again, always recommend getting in touch with us, but feel free to give it a go first as it is pretty straightforward.